welcome to another ForeFlight follow-along. Today's video goes from Van Nuys to Big Bear Airport, a mountain airport. Elevation is about 7,000 feet. Flight time is about 50 minutes, and we'll be cruising at 9,500 feet. The winds today are unusually calm, but there are gusts expected, as usual, in that area. So a couple things we're aligning. One, the weather, as far as cloud clearance, it's supposed to clear up by the time we get up and out there. And the other thing you have to get used to is the winds may shift, so you might expect runway 26, which already has an unusual traffic pattern entry. And as I experienced, that changed mid-flight to runway 8, which also has a unique traffic pattern entry. And as expected, looking out for helicopter tours that are taking off from the airport. Anyway, we're going to fast forward to about 10 or 12 minutes out from the airport. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, click like or subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you know when others come up. Off we go.
November 0 Juliet Mike, radar service terminated. Squawk maintain VFR frequency change approved today.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, 0 Juliet Mike today.
Big Bear City Airport. Automated weather observation. 1855 Zulu. Weather. Wind 040 at 6. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point -13. Altimeter 3030. Remarks. Density altitude 8,300.
Oh, they're landing runway 8. Big Bear traffic, Yellow Archer, 130 Juliet Mike, 11 miles to the west, inbound for full stop landing, Big Bear.
I can't believe there's still snow.
Alright, I'm not going to be able to talk at this point.
Okay.
Big Bear traffic, Skyhawk 99157, message for 7 Kilo Mike. If you wouldn't mind telling me what the weather's like in that direction for you.
Big Bear traffic, 77 Romeo down to clear transit, Big Bear.
Big Bear traffic, Yellow Archer, 130 Juliet Mike, 9,500. 10 miles to the west inbound. Looks like traffic's aiming for runway 8. We'll set up for that, Big Bear, 0 Juliet Mike.
Big Bear traffic, Skyhawk 99157, taking 8 for a right, or sorry, for a left crosswind departure. Big Bear traffic.
Remarks. Density altitude.
Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Julie Mike, Yellow Archer. We're beamed the dam. We're going to set up for runway 8. Big Bear.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 900 feet below.
Helicopter below us. Got him somewhere. There he is. Oh, it's that other guy.
I see him.
I see him too. I'm going to start a descent.
Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point -13. Altimeter 3029er. Remarks. Density altitude 8,300. Niner 01 Zulu. Weather wind 070 at Niner. Gusts 14. Visibility.
Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, 4 miles. Heading over the town, which we're going to set up right traffic runway 8, full stop landing, Big Bear. Or it can get a little squirrely.
Yeah.
All right, lights, master mixtures, we're going to leave that there. Primer's locked in, fuel is where it should be. Everyone's got seatbelts on?
Yep.
Alert, terrain ahead.
Big Bear City Airport. Automated weather observation 1903 Zulu. Weather wind 090 at 7.
Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike. We're being the departure end of runway 8. We're going to set up right traffic to land runway 8, full stop landing, Big Bear.
Big Bear traffic, helicopter 77 Romeo, transient parking, lift to nav, immediate departure eastbound via taxiway Alpha, continuing to the west on a right downwind from 8, Big Bear.
God, I'm just getting blown over.
Bounce. Yeah. You
Blown
okay?
over, yep. Just a little squirrely, that's all for me.
Traffic,
We're fine,
12
we're fine.
o'clock, 1 mile, 1,100 feet below.
Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike. Right downwind, runway 8, full stop, Big Bear. We're coming around like an S-turn. Okay, first notch flaps. Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Yellow Archer turning right base, runway 8, full stop. Big Bear.
500.
Big Bear traffic, Skyhawk 99157, 6 miles to the north, Westbound, final call, Big Bear traffic.
Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, base to final runway 8, Big Bear. A little high, but we're good, we're looking good. Lots of runway. Where's the windsock? All right, there's the sock. Wind is calm. Little right crosswind. Sorry.
Okay, no worries.
Sorry.
You did it.
I know, but that's...
What do you mean? It felt okay.
No, thank you. It was just, a bounce landing is not easy, it's just recovery, so I did fine. I'm happy about it. All right, I'm going to say clear the runway. Big Bear traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, clear the active, taxi to Transcend Big Bear. Ugh.